Welcome to this English learning video. Nothing is free in a quiet village. People often spoke of luck, chance, and destiny. Some believed that blessings fell from the sky like rain, while others thought fortune was passed down like an heirloom. Rafiq, a young farmer, disagreed. He had grown up hearing his father's words, "Nothing is free," to him. It wasn't just a phrase, it was a rule of life. Every dawn, he rose before the sun, plowing fields, tending crops, and pushing himself when others rested, while his friends waited for miracles. Rafiq built his own. The soil gave him harvest, the sweat gave him strength, and the struggles gave him wisdom. One day, a stranger visited the village and asked, "How is it that you prosper while others remain idle?" Rafiq smiled and replied, "Because I know the truth, nothing is free. To gain, we must give. To rise, we must climb. To live fully, we must work for it." The stranger nodded, realizing that in Rafiq's hands, the phrase wasn't just a warning, it was a promise. And so, the village remembered, nothing is free, but everything worth having is worth working for.